explore plenty of tourist attractions na talagang tatatak sa ating bucket list? Introducing the serene beauty of Infanta, Pangasinan, a hidden gem awaiting your discovery.
So here we have the dam. Tingnan na siya, ang ganda.
From beaches to lush landscapes, this enchanting destination offers an escape like no other. On the way, the boat ride experience is amazing. Join me on my journey to explore the wonders of Infanta, where culture, nature, and adventure seamlessly comes together. Kitang-kita ang mga corals dito in all shapes and sizes. I'm Miki, your travel bestie. Tara, samahan niyo akong sa biyaheng Infanta. After a long hike, you could even swim here with the fresh water and the cool breeze. Dito lang yan sa Ganda, Pangasinan! Invites you to escape to a world where the wonders of nature take center stage. Pangasinan, you're so beautiful.